I get a lot of questions and messages from you guys out there on premature chipping and peeling, and a lot of times this is caused by an improper nail prep. To prep your nail for any kind of enhancement, whether it be gel, acrylic, or dip powder, your nail plate needs to be free of oils, skin, and debris. It also needs to be dehydrated. So today, I'm going to give you some tips regarding proper preparation. Let's talk about pushing back our cuticles. The cuticle is a dead skin that is attached to the nail plate at the base of the nail. Now, this needs to be properly pushed back and removed from the nail. We want to make sure that whether we're using gel polish, acrylic, or dip, it will adhere properly. Now, I am using a cuticle pusher right here, and when you're pushing your cuticles back, you kind of want to go in a small circular motion. It is important that if you are using a cuticle softener, that it doesn't have any oils in it, since we are trying to keep the nails free of oils and moisture. Now, I just flip my cuticle pusher over, and I want to kind of help and loosen any of the remaining dead skin from around the nail plate, and this just kind of scrapes everything away and makes it a little bit cleaner. Now, this next option is optional. I do like to really prep my nails because I don't like any lifting. So this is a step that you can take if you have a drill bit. I'm using a cuticle cleaner drill bit, and I go along the nail bed, and I'm also pushing back on my cuticles as I'm going along the nail bed. Then after I've done all of my nails, I will take my drill and put it on backwards at about 7,000 RPM and reverse that to get any extra skin that was left on nail plate. Now, if you are finished pushing back your cuticles and you do have a little bit of that dry skin on top, feel free to take some nippers and clip that away. Now, I know not everybody is comfortable with doing that, and that's okay. But if you are, definitely take care of that. Next, I like to come in with a nail file and go over each and every nail. This just really ensures that I have removed any shine off the natural nail plate. And then after filing, I check my nails, make sure everything looks good. And then I go in with a paper towel and dampen it with some isopropyl alcohol and clean each of the nails. This helps remove any of the dust and debris that was created during the removal of the cuticles. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we will see you on the next one. Bye!